Hi guys! Hi baby Ashby! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening! So for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ng Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Mag-e-exit tayo dahil yung passport ni Zoe, canceled siya from immigration kasi nung last month, nag-renew kami ng kanyang passport, ng bagong passport sa Philippine Embassy. Tapos late dumating, kaya binigyan lang si Zoe ng special pass doon sa immigration. Yung student pass niya, kinancel nila. Tapos ngayon, lumabas yung bagong visa niya na student pass. Pero kailangan namin mag-exit dahil nga canceled na yung passport niya. So, iikot lang tayo guys doon sa Kuala Lumpur. Malapit lang naman yon, mga 1 hour papunta. Kung galing dito, mga 30 minutes to 40 minutes lang naman. At bibili tayo doon sa duty free. So, hinihintay namin ngayon guys yung asawa ko. Nag-withdraw lang siya kasi wala kaming petrol guys. Maubos na yung petrol namin. So, wala siyang cash. Hindi naman tumatanggap ng ATM card doon sa petrol gas station. Hi Zoe! Say hi! You still angry? So, si Zoe guys, galit siya kasi kanina nag-prepare siya ng maraming toys. Linagay niya sa bag. Gusto niya dalhin yung isang bag na puno ng toys. Sabi ko wag na kasi saglit lang naman tayo doon. Babalik lang naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo doon mag-overnight. So, akala niya mag-overnight kami. Sabi ko 1 hour lang naman. Tapos nagagalit siya kaya nagtatantrum siya kanina dyan sa likod. Andito na yung asawa ko guys. So, alis na tayo guys. Check guys, 5:10 na siya. Umalis tayo dun mga 4:45 yata. So, nandito na tayo sa border ng Brunei to Kuala Lumpur. So, may police station dyan guys. Dyan sa gilid. Tapos ito yung borders. And then maraming, kunti lang ang sasakyan ngayon guys. May unggoy din dun So, hintayin lang natin guys yung mga sasakyan makalagpas. Then, next na tayo. Okay? Ang daming unggoy dito guys. So, tingnan niyo. Ang cute-cute nila.
Many monkeys.
Ayan
Careful your camera, they will take and run.
Kasi tingnan niyo siya. Ayan, ang dami ngayon nila. Kasi naghahanap sila ng food pag mga ganitong oras. Tingnan mo. Ang dami nilang baby. May mga small baby sila doon sa tiyan. Ayun, tingnan niyo. Ang cute. Hi, monkey. Ashby, say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Where is it? Come on. Come on. One little monkey na. One little monkey jumping on the bed.
Joe, you want to take care of the monkey? Joe? You know, monkeys' babies look like I see black. When they grow up.
Zoe.
Joey, look at him.
Zoe, why are you crying?
Don't cry now.
Huh?
Daddy says
Why are
sorry.
you crying?
Sorry, Daddy says sorry.
All done guys. Nakatapos na kami, nakalagpas na kami guys ng Brunei Immigration. So ngayon, Malaysia Immigration naman tayo. Dito lang siya guys, mga 3 minutes away lang siya. So nandito na tayo guys sa border. May mga restaurant dito, tapos nandito yung duty free. Bibili lang tayo ng alak ng aking asawa. So, papasok tayo dito sa Asia Line Products in Dirihan, Berhad. Let's go! Para siyang pineapple. What do you want to tell? She's scared a little but oh my God! Ang lakas na ng ulan guys. Sinapot kami ng ulan dito. Grabe Buti na lang pumasok na kami dito sa sasakyan. Yung asawa ko guys nandun pa sa loob ng duty free. Hala, lakas ng angin. OMG. Pabalik na kami guys kasi ang lakas-lakas na ng ulan. Mag-exit na tayo. Kaso ka lang, kailangan namin mag-download guys ng ng application yun sa, what is that honey? The application?
3G already here.
What
The
we have to
application is
download?
the BN.
Para sa custom, hindi na siya ngayon
This one.
kailangan mag-download nito guys. Tapos doon tayo maglalagay ng application para sa online form, sa declaration doon sa binili natin sa duty free.
I will park here first. No, they're not fighting. Maybe they will fight because they still see. Yeah, 4. One is my daughter is a student bus. So yeah.
Yung asawa ko guys, kailangan niya lumabas kasi yung passport ni Zoe nandun pa sa officer. Kasi kailangan niya dun pumunta sa taas para sa passport ni Zoe visa chop kasi magbabayad siya dun ng $20. So medyo kami natagalan guys dito sa borders kasi nga yung sa application nag-fill up pa kami ng form. So wait lang natin si Daddy and then si Ashby guys nakatulog na dito ayan.
My wallet, I forget.
So nakalimutan pa niya yung wallet niya, my goodness. We're here.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking. I indicated.
Si Ate Zoe guys, already hungry. What do you want to eat, baby? Huh? What do you want to eat? Huh? You're not angry anymore? Huh? You're not answering again. Don't play, anak, no. Zoe, I'm talking to you. What do you want to eat? Huh?
Chip.
You don't want bread today? Sit you nicely there. Don't move that one. No.
Wow.
Don't play, anak. Your daddy is not here, anak. So you're not angry anymore, huh? You're not angry anymore? You don't have mouth to talk? I think you don't have mouth to talk. No, anak, don't play. Kailangan guys ni Zoe bumaba kasi hinahanap siya ng officer. Asa na siya? Nandun na sila. The officer watching you there, Zoe? Huh? They check your face if same passport or no? What they said to you? Nothing. They just check to you. No more raining? So daddy where?
I go by myself.
You can do it? You're strong already? Huh? Time check guys, 7:15. Nandito na tayo sa Brunei. Pero nandito tayo sa medyo malayo pa sa bahay namin. So nandun sila Zoe guys. Dumaan muna kami dito sa Mini Mart. Bumili sila doon sa loob ng chips kasi yun yung request ni Zoe. Hintay lang tayo dito sa loob. Nandiyan na sila guys. Hindi niya ako binilhan ng ng uwishi. Where is my uwishi?
Here.
It's not uwishi.
I couldn't find a wishy.
The red color
Choose this
there.
one.
I
Choose
couldn't
one.
find it.
Only this one. No
Where's
have much.
my uwishi?
There's no wishy.
No
I'm
have much
really
choices,
sad
right?
now.
No have much choices. Ask Joey. Right, Joey?